So I was going to go up there and get to work cleaning up that garage. So let's do that. Let's go clean and organize the garage so that we can get some real good work done in there. That would be the coolest thing ever. I take these big boots off now because comfort is my friend, and I'm going to be in there. I don't need these big boots on while I'm in there cleaning the garage. I can put my little comfortable shoes on. Oh, the joy. This should be a funnish day. I have got, I'll show you this because it's a little bit embarrassing, but I have a pretty good ability to wire things, but I don't have a real good ability to keep my wiring things organized. They tend to look like this. See, we got light bulbs, we got fuses, we got wires, we got all kind of stuff. And I've been trying to think about how can I make sense out of this chaos. And I was thinking, if I had a nice tackle box, I could organize that stuff into a nice tackle box. And, you know, everywhere I was looking at tackle boxes seemed like it was really expensive, like on Marketplace and yard sales and stuff. So I went to Wally Mart. They had this thing for like 13 bucks. And it's got all these little separator hickey-doos that go in it. I think, well, heck for. I could take that, and I could take stuff like this, and I could put all these little kind of widget-modgets in a separate place, and put all these kind of other widget-modgets in their own separate place. You know what I mean? I could create some organization. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit here and organize stuff. I'll get back with you and let you know how that went. Oh, the joy. Okay, that only took me about half the morning. So, I think basically what I got in here is things I would need. And in this box over here, I got things that I probably don't need, but I might need, like a little piece of wire or a clamp or who knows what. I suppose I could put that clamp somewhere where it'd be easier to find. And then I got over here a bunch of other stuff, similar stuff, pieces of wire and pieces of this and that. But I think this could be my major box of useful stuff right here. So now that that's done, all I got left to do is the whole rest of the garage. Oh the joy.